How are you doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this 2019 BMW 5 Series 520i M Sport Saloon. She comes in this dark blue metallic finish with the LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille up front with the silver trim, the M Sport front bumper, front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging, the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. You come around to the back, you have the BMW 520i badging, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors, the automatic trunk, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. You also have rear LED tail lights, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW M Sport paddle shift steering wheel, the fully digital cockpit with the comfort mode, sports mode and Eco Pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice, the BMW iDrive system, automatic transmission, the e-brake, the pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system. The interior comes in a black Dakota Sport leather with a platinum trim finish, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting. You have fully electric windows, heated seats, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, keyless touch button start ignition, plus many other extras. Now that was just a quick look around this 2019 BMW 5 Series 520i M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.